here we're asked to find the coordinates of point C and then the equation of the circle. Well, not forgetting that at the start of the question we're also given point B, which has the coordinates 5, 4. Now we can use the general equation for the circle centre AB, that is x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared is equal to r squared. But r doesn't really come into this because we use the 2 points with their x and y values to solve this problem for the coordinates of the centre. So if we take the point A where x is equal to 1, then we have 1 minus a all squared plus y, which is 0, so 0 minus b all squared is equal to, well, the other point must satisfy the equation as well, so we have 5 minus a all squared plus 4 minus b all squared, and then we can use the fact that y is equal to 3x minus 3 to say that b must be equal to 3a minus 3, and therefore this term here minus b all squared, which is going to be b squared, would be just the same as 3a minus 3 all squared, and that is equal to 5 minus a all squared plus 4 minus b. Well, b, remember, is the same as 3a minus 3 all squared again, and then we can solve for a, the x coordinate of the centre. So here we have 1 minus a all squared is the same as, or expands to give a squared minus 2a plus 1. Then we have, again, expand 2 terms squared, first term squared, so 3a all squared is 9a squared, plus twice the product, so 2 times minus 3 is minus 6, times 3a is minus 18a, plus minus 3 all squared, this gives us plus 9. And then the right hand side, first term squared, 5 squared is 25, plus twice the product, so 2 times 5 times minus a is minus 10a, plus minus a all squared gives us plus a squared. And then the second bracket here we have first term squared, 4 squared is 16, plus twice the product, so 2 times 4 is 8, times minus 3a is minus 24a, 2 times 4 is 8, times minus 3 is plus 24, and then the last term squared, we have the negative of this bracket, 3a minus 3 all squared, which is just 3a minus 3 all squared. So again, first term squared, 3a all squared is plus 9a squared, plus twice the product, 2 times minus 3, minus 6 times 3a, minus 18a, plus minus 3 squared, which is just 9. So we can sort this out a bit. A squared plus 9a squared is 10a squared, minus 2a minus 18a is minus 20a, 1 plus 9 is 10, last term on the left hand side. The right hand side we have a squared plus 9a squared again, so 10a squared. And look at the a terms, we've got minus 10a minus 24a is minus 34a, minus a further 18a is minus 52a. Constant terms, we've got 25 plus plus 16 is 41, plus 9 is 50, plus 24 is 74. Can cancel the 10a squared. Take the minus 52a, cross the equal sign to become plus 52a, minus 20a that's already there gives us 32a is equal to 74 minus 10 from the left hand side, leaves us with 64, and therefore a is 64 divided by 32, or a equals 2, and from the equation up here for the centre line normal to the tangent line, we have y equals 3x minus 3, which we can read as being b equals 3a minus 3, so a equals 2 implies that b is equal to 3 times a, which is 3 times 2 minus 3, which is 6 minus 3 is 3. So the centre of the circle is 2, 3. And then we can use that to say that the equation of the circle is x minus 2 all squared plus y minus 3 all squared is equal to the radius squared.